All right, I think we got a fish on here. Tighten up my drag a little bit. Let's see what we got here.
Welcome everybody, Kelly from KB Auto Tech and Adventure. Today, got the 3rd Gen 4Runner and we are at a nice lake today. Did a little bit of wheeling here. We're at a fairly popular spot, but not so much as the lake. I got my truck with me here and I got a new toy sitting up on there, if you can see that. Got myself a fishing kayak. So anyways, we're gonna hit the water today and we're gonna see if we can catch maybe a few fish, maybe have a fire, barbecue, maybe a bit of a catch and cook. Day hasn't started off exactly as I'd hoped. Crashed the drone already, so that thing's a write-off. So anyways, let's make it better from here on out, so stay tuned. Well, I'm on the lake and we are trolling. So got the kayak in the water, got my gear out. Basically, so we got double setup here. So if you're fishing alone, you're allowed to troll 2 setups here. So I got one off the side here, and then I got the other one off the side here as well. I got the fish finder here, marking a couple of fish, so we'll see what happens. I don't know. I don't really know if anyone has ever really fished this lake. It's definitely not too popular on the, from the fishermen, I guess. Obviously it's a very common off-road location. A lot of people come as a destination to wheel to, but anyways, we're gonna give this a try. I don't really have a setup so I can catch a fish and video at the same time, so we'll see what I can come up with here. So anyways, just got on the water here a couple minutes in, and stay tuned. Hopefully we can catch a fish today. Well, figured I'd get a chance to make an update. It was pouring rain, so I didn't bother with the camera. It had been raining. The clouds have cleared up in the last little bit, or I shouldn't say the clouds, but the rain's cleared up, and I have two trout in the cooler here. So figured I'd break out the camera. I figured out a way to mount it to the
to my pedal drive assembly. So anyways, just gonna get the line out here. All right, I think we got a fish on here. Tighten up my drag a little bit. Let's see what we got here. Lost that one. All right, well, put her back out, keep it going. Well, it's getting late in the afternoon. Unfortunately, I never caught another fish, so I never got anything you know, on camera, but I do have a couple in the cooler behind me. So I'm gonna make it back to the truck here. Starting to get late in the afternoon, get tidied up. We'll clean up those fish, probably start a fire real quick, and we'll do a little bit of a catch and cook, and we'll cook up one of these trouts. So stay tuned. All right, so off the water now. Now you can see I got the truck all packed up. Got myself a little fire going on. So we're at the lake. The weather has been crazy, sort of on, off, on, off. It's sort of nice, then it's pouring, then it's off, pouring again, and sort of back and forth. Anyways, do a little catch and cook. Whoa, falling down here. Well, so let's do a little bit of a catch and cook. So I got the two trout that I caught here today, and I'm gonna try to make my way to the water without falling in here so I can quickly gut these fish. It's kind of crazy here. There's the cooler, and I got those two guys today. So anyways, let's see if we can gut these up here real quick. Well, it's officially time to eat. So cooked up a nice little trout there. Obviously you saw some veggies and some rice. So well-balanced meal while we're out four-wheeling today. So it's quite the day. You know, I really contemplated a couple of times of not coming out today. It was pouring rain. Just, you know how it is. If you don't go, you miss out on so much regardless, because you never know. Half of the day ended up by being super beautiful today. Yeah, the other half sucked, but you know what I mean? Look at the day I got to have today. It was absolutely awesome. I'm glad to share it with you all today. So anyways, let's have a first couple little bites here. All right, let's try some of this trout right away. Oh, delicious. Warm. And it's not super fishy. Obviously I have a little bit of garlic salt in there, a little bit of pepper for flavor. Tiny bit of soy sauce ended up on there. You know, just gives you a little bit of extra salt flavor. Fresh veggies. I chopped all these last night. Sorry, my nose is running. It's been cold out here. Fresh veggies. Delicious. And rice. I just love it. Well, thanks so much for watching today. Hope to see you next time. My name's Kelly, KB Auto Tech and Adventure. We'll see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving me the thumbs up on the video. Drop me a comment and consider subscribing to the channels. And also, maybe consider watching one of these next videos. Thank you so much again. Bye-bye.